Good morning children. This is 4th class maths. I hope previous class we completed block 21. I hope you all completed your class work. Today we are going to start new block 22, introduction to area. Introduction to area. S1, our topic is area. So children, previous class we learned what is perimeter. What is perimeter children? Perimeter is the total length or distance of the shape. Okay, how will we measure the perimeter? We will measure the perimeter total length all sides if add we get the perimeter. Okay. One example I will give. So suppose if you put the carpet of in your living room, what will you do children? You will measure the room. Okay. This is the room, living room thing. So you want to put the carpet in this room. What will you measure the inside the room? Okay. So what will measure now? That this part is called area. Okay. This inside the part. This part is called area. What is area children? Area is the measure of the covered surface. Area is the measure of the covered surface. Okay, I will show you some examples. Children, I trace my hand on paper. Okay, now this part is area, this part is area. Now will this area will measure with first we will measure with the cotton balls and afterwards we will measure with the rajma beans. Okay, see children, this is the full area I covered with the cotton balls. Okay, now we'll count the cotton balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now children, I covered the area with the rajma beans. Okay, once you see children, here we get the different or same measure of area for the same object. Children will get the same measure of cotton balls or rajma beans. Will get same children or no? In cotton we got 34. Even rajma beans also will get 34. No. Once we will count. Now we are going to count the rajma beans. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 68. So we got how many? 68. We get different measurements. Why children? Why? No, because rajma beans are small, cotton balls are so big. So we will get the here measure of area with the different measures with the rajma beans and cotton balls. Children, what you observed in this activity? We observed same area with different objects and we got a different measurement. Cotton balls we got 34 and with the rajma beans we got 68. Children, I hope you understood. Now open your workbook. Now we will do workbook sums. Open your workbook, page number 30, write date 9/2/2021. S1 area. First question, estimate and find the area using rajma beans and crayons. Children, here the table is given. Some objects are given here. Rajma beans, estimate, measure. See first A bit, cover page of math book. Cover page of math book. First you have to estimate it on, you have to write measurement, actual measurement you have to write. First rajma means you will do the activity, children, and afterwards crayons they given, estimated and measurement. So cover page of math book, that means this surface, this is called cover page of the math book. You have to measure with the rajma beans, this full. You have to arrange the rajma beans full. You have to cover it with this surface. Okay. Now children, tell me estimated answer. How much you will write? I will write 953. 953. Measure. Now we will write actual answer. Okay. Children, now I covered the book surface of with the rajma beans. Okay. Now I am going to count these rajma beans. 5. Children, actual measurement after counting 357 we got. Okay. Now crayons. Crayons, estimated answer, estimated you have to write. Estimated I will write here 56. Actual measurement will do. Now children, I arrange the surface of the mass cover surface of with the crayons. See, you have to arrange the children, here in small correction. See, I have covered crayons with the mass book cover page. See how I arrange it, children. See till here. Then afterwards you arrange. I marked here, children. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12 plus 12. Next again. Twelve. 3 times it is. This is 4th time. Okay. Next again. Next 5th time. This is 6th time. Okay. Now each time 12 pencils, 12 6 are 72. So actual measurement is how much, children? 72. Okay. Other B, C, D, you have to do it as homework. See children, B bit tiffin box. See tiffin box, take tiffin box and upper part of the tiffin box you have to arrange the rajma beans. First you write estimated, and then you have to write actual measurement. Here with the afterwards with the crayons you arrange the top of the tiffin box with the crayons. Estimated answer you write, and then measurement. Okay, like that same you have to do top of the pencil box and 1/4 of the handkerchief. 1/4 of handkerchief means how you have to do, children? See, this is the handkerchief. See, fold 4 times. This part is called 1/4 of the handkerchief. Okay, first arrange the rajma beans and then find the actual answer, and afterwards with the crayons. Okay, now second question, is the area of each object the same using either rajma beans or crayons? Why? Children, see, area of the object the same using either rajma beans and crayons. Same we got, children, counts? No, here different we got. Actual answer is 357 with the rajma beans. Same object, maths cover the page of maths book. We have got with the rajma beans 357, with the crayons 72. We got different. Why, children? So here rajma beans are small, here crayons are in size, they are in big. So we'll get different. So you have to write no, because the rajma beans and crayons are not same size, same in size, so they measure the area with different measures. Okay, children. Now third question. Suraj wants to cover the floor of his room completely with the tiles. What should he measure, area or perimeter? Why? Children, he want to cover the complete his room. Okay, suppose this is the room with the floor, tiles. What he will do, children? He will measure the perimeter or area. You know, children, perimeter is total length of the room. For perimeter, suppose if you want to fencing of the room, what you will do, children? You will measure the perimeter. You want to cover the area of the room with the tiles. So what he will do? He will measure the area. So Suraj will measure the area because it informs us how much space is required to cover a surface. Okay, whereas perimeter only inform us about the boundary of the shape. Okay, I hope you understood, children. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.